Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to enable Wi-Fi scanning for better location accuracy in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To enable Wi-Fi scanning, we have to go to Settings, then we are looking for Location, here Location menu, and in Location menu we have Location Services. And here we have Improve Accuracy, Wi-Fi scanning. Now it's turned off for whatever reason. By default it should be turned on, but if it's turned off, here we can find this option. What does it do? Let apps use Wi-Fi for more accurate location detection even when Wi-Fi is turned off. So to turn it on, we simply check this little box right here, and now our location detection should be a little bit more accurate. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.